this lovely lady. Your sisters united! Yay! And yes, so fabulous. No.
We're falling in love with Switzerland.
y'all. This is how good our group looks after staying up all night. Yeah.
And walking in the rain.
With no food, no shelter. We're homeless.
Homeless.
They're spoons. No, this is milk chocolate. Oh, sorry, so sorry.
How's it taste, Valerie?
It is warm. Is it darn smooth?
Okay, let's see y'all taste it. These are their spoons.
It is good. I think I like the dark chocolate.
This is milk. You have to pull that thing out.
Donna, you're doing it
Strong enough. Because I've walked so many miles. That's good. I'll take that.
I'd say you deserve a second.
Okay, let's see what Linda thinks.
Much.
You have to pump it. Okay.
Yeah, I was motivated.
I know. Okay, tell us what you think.
Great.
Good.
They got white chocolate. Dark is my favorite.
And she's tried them all.
I tried them all.
Okay, Linda.
I'm going back for more.
Chocolate, chocolate, yummy in my tummy. Sweet and tasty, oh so lovely. In a bar or a drop, I can't get enough. Chocolate, oh chocolate, you're my favorite stuff. Chocolate, chocolate makes me smile. Let's eat some chocolate and laugh for a while. Milk or dark, it's also fun. Chocolate, oh chocolate, you're number one. Chocolate cookies, chocolate cake, every bite is great to take. Chocolate ice cream, chocolate pie, makes me happy, oh my, oh my. Chocolate cookies, chocolate cake, every bite is great to take. Chocolate ice cream, chocolate pie, makes me happy, oh my, oh my. Dark chocolate clit, they're just sweet delight. A rich indulgence, oh so right.
It's a kid in a candy shop.
Cocoa's depth, the flavor so bold. A treat for the senses, a story to be told. Chocolate, chocolate, oh so sweet. A symphony of flavors, a delicious treat. From milk to white, dark to filled. A world of indulgence, a taste to be thrilled. Milk, chocolate, creamy and smooth. A childhood favorite, a comfort and soothe. With sweetness and light, a joy to behold. A classic delight, a treasure to unfold. Chocolate, chocolate, oh so sweet. A symphony of flavors, a delicious delicious treat. From milk to wine, dark to filled, a world of indulgence, a taste to be thrilled. White chocolate, a vanilla dream, a buttery bliss, a silky gleam, with subtle sweetness, a delicate touch, a unique experience, a taste to clutch. Chocolate, chocolate, oh so sweet, a symphony of flavors, a delicious treat.